All right, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Wednesday adjective. Civil. 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 Yes. So being polite, kind, and considerate of other people. You have to be civil when dealing with people. She is always civil when she talks with me. Nice. He is a very civil gentleman. He's very civil. He's a very civil gentleman. He is always civil with people. Yeah. How cool is that? They behaved very civil with me. They behaved very civil with me. They were nice. I liked them. So I am civil. You are civil. He is civil. She is civil. They are civil. It is civil. Nice. I am a civil man. I am a civil man. Yes. Very kind and polite. You are always civil with them. He is civil in public. He is civil in public. You are always civil with them. She needs to be more civil when dealing with people. They are often civil. Yeah, when they want to be. When they want to be, yeah. When they want to be. Let's move that here. Move that there. Move that here. Very good. Yeah, when they want to be, yeah. Yeah. Okay. So it is a civil meeting. We are all kind and polite here. Yeah. How cool is that? So, they were civil in the meeting. Yes, very civil, very relaxed and calm. These are the most civil people I know. Yes, very good. These people are kind and not rude or aggressive. Yeah, kind people. Yes, very good. Yeah, they are civil. We need to be civil when dealing with people. We need to be civil when dealing with people. Yes. How cool is that? We think these are reasons to be civil in the future. Because when you are civil with people, then they are nicer and polite with you. Yes. Being civil is important, especially in modern society. Civil. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use civil in a sentence? Can you write civil in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just look for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.